Welcome once again. In index number, we have learned how to shift the base of index number. So we have learned if we want to change the base year of a index, how we can change the base year of an index. But sometimes we are having two series of index number. One series based on another base year and other series based on another base year. So how we can simplifying both of the index number to get one index number for the same commodity. So in today's video we will learn how to do the simplifying of the index number. Suppose we are having two index number series is over there. One index number series is based on 2014 and other index number series is based on 2018. So in 2000 I have taken example 2014, 2015, 2016, 17. This firstly for the commodity of suppose wheat commodity, the index number is 100, 105, 115, 123 and 125. Now the base year is changed. Now we are having the index number of 2018. So for 5 commodity, the same commodity, the 5 index number are based on 2014 and remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 index number are based on 2018. So to get one index series, how we can do the sibling of index number? The sibling of index number may be two types. It may be forward, it may be backward. Forward in the sense that this will carry equally and this index number depend on this. So that will be called the forward index, simplifying is a forward. Or if we are keeping this okay and this index number shift to this side, that is called the backward simplifying in index number is over there. So how we can having the simplifying of index number in this video we will learn. Firstly we will know how to calculate the simplifying of this. So if forward is over there, forward simplifying, how to do this forward simplifying in that index number of new index number of current year. What we have to do? New index number of current year multiply by all old index number of new base year, old index number of new base year divided by 100. For forwarding simplifying, what we will do? New index number of the current year. Okay, new index number of the current year, it may be having 100, multiply by the old index number of the new base year divided by 100. It means in each and everything we have to use old index number of the new base year. Here if we will say the old index number for new base year is 125. So new index number for the current year. Firstly we should learn how to having forward simplifying. Firstly we should learn how to do the forward simplifying, then we will learn backward simplifying is over there. So for forward simplifying, it means we are to add these index number. For forward simplifying, new index number of the current year, that is 100, multiply by the old index number of the new base year. We have changed the new base year is this. So for forward simplifying, what we will do? Firstly we will having the base year 100 multiply by 120 divided by 100. So this is called forward simplifying. In that new index number of the current year is taken, it means first this taken multiply by 125 divided by 100, then 104 multiply by 125 divided by 100. That every time we will having new index number of current year multiply by index number of old base year, index number of number of new base year, old index number. old index number of new base year in 2018, old index number was 125. So this is very important for forward simplifying. What we are to do, I am here doing so. New index number of current year, that is 100. Old index number of new base year is 125 divided by 100. So that will be 125. First one is 125. Second, 104 multiply 125 divided by 100. Third, 1110, the new index number of the current year, multiply by the old index number of new base year divided by 100. Againly 112 multiply 125 divided by 100. 120 multiply 125 divided by 100. 150 multiply 125 divided by 100, and 180 multiply 125 divided by 100. So what we are doing, we are changing all index number into 2014. So new index series will be the simplifying on 2014. So the first one is age 100, second one is 105, third one is 115, fourth one is 123, sixth one will be 125. Now the next will be change 125 1.04, that is 130. 137.5. 140. 150. 187.5. 225. 225. So we are having 120, 130, 137.5, 140, 150. Then first one is 100 multiply 125 divide, then 104, then 1110, then 112, then 120, then 150. Okay. First one is 100 multiply 125 divided by 100, then 104. Okay. Then 1110. Then 140, 140, 120. 120 is available. Okay. This 120 check. 112. First one is 125, second one is 1.04 multiply 125, that is 130 is okay. Then 1.1 multiply 125, that is 137.5 is okay. 1.12 multiply 125, that is 140 is also okay. 1.2 multiply 125, 150 is also okay. Now 150 multiply 125, 187.5. Okay. Now this is called forward shifting. Yani this, it means we have forward this series. Now our index number is this: 100, 105, 115, 123, 125, 130, 137.5, 140, 150, 187.5 and 225. So if we are changing, we are simplifying the index number in old index number, that will be called forward simplifying. If we changing the index number, we will keep this index number alive and change this is called backward shifting of the index number. Here this index number was same, and we change this index number on the base year is 2014. So the total index number converted into the 2014. if we want to simplifying the total index number in 2018, so how we will having the firstly we will see the formula current year old index number divided by old index number of the new base year. What formula for that? Firstly we will learn current simplifying formula current year old index number divided by old index number of new base year multiply by 100. This is called backward simplifying. It means we change these to 2018. Then this will call backward simplifying. For backward simplifying, firstly we will having the current old year index number divided by the old index number of the new base year multiply by 100. It means for backward simplifying, this is depend on 2014. Now 2018, that is backward simplifying. For that, old index number of the current year divided by old index number of new base year multiply by 100. Old index number of the current year multiply by the old index number of new current year multiply by 100. Then 115 multiply by 125 multiply by 100. 123 multiply 125 is divide, that is 100. 125 divided by 125 multiply by 100. So this will be first one, H 100 divided 1.25, that is first one is 80. Second one 105 divided 1.25, that is 84. Third one 115 divided 1.25, that is 92. 123 divided 1.25, that is 98.4. And this is 100 already we have learned. So 100 and then 104, 1110, 112, 120, 150 and 180. So this is backward because we have keep current as it is. We are changing the previous one index of the previous. So that is called backward simplifying. Okay, because we are changing the index of 2014, 15, 16, 17, 17. So this will be called backward simplifying because we change all the index number in 2018. So the back year also have changing. But if we are changing the new index number also in the old index number, like 2018 also we are changing in 2014, that is called forward simplifying. In forward simplifying we are having the formula that index number, old index number of the current year multiply by old index number of the new base year divided by 100. But for backward simplifying we have some different formula, that is old index number of the current year divided by the old index number of new base year multiply by 100. So in this, with the help of this video, you may be learn how to do the simplifying of index number, whether you are to having the forward simplifying or whether you are have to do the backward simplifying. With the help of this video, you may be easily doing so. So I think this video will be helpful for you. Thank you.